Welcome. Today we're exploring how to design a luxury tropical getaway that blends intentional site assessment with lush sensory layering for your dream home. The vision starts with an emotional goal. Whether it is Bali-inspired minimalism or vibrant Caribbean colors, your retreat should reflect a specific mood. Before planting, we must assess the site. Look at the sun and shade patterns throughout the day and identify where natural wind flows occur. Privacy is paramount in luxury design. Mapping out sightlines to neighboring windows allows us to place screening trees or structures strategically. Functional zoning defines the flow. We designate areas for a morning coffee lounge, a spacious dining zone, and a quiet, hidden reading nook. Use level changes or outdoor rugs to define these spaces without building walls, maintaining an open and airy tropical feel throughout the garden. Now, let's talk planting. Start with a tall canopy of palms for drama. Then layer in broadleaf philodendrons to create that essential lushness. Add pops of color and scent, with hibiscus and bird of paradise. These sensory details bring the tropical theme to life immediately. Materials ground the design. Teak or ipe decking provides warmth, while textured stone pavers add a sophisticated, permanent feel to the landscape. Permeable surfaces are crucial for drainage in tropical climates. Ensure water can move freely through your hardscape to keep the garden healthy. Water features add a relaxing soundtrack. A bubbling urn works wonders for small spaces, while waterfall walls create a grand focal point. Lighting is the secret to evening magic. Layer your light with path markers, palm up lights, and dimmable controls to set the perfect mood. Prioritize comfort with modular seating using UV-stable fabrics. For a true resort feel, don't forget to include a high-quality, woven hammock. For shade, consider a pergola with retractable fabric or a thatched gazebo to offer relief from the intense midday tropical sun. The outdoor kitchen is the heart of entertainment. Design it with durable counters and an efficient workflow for seamless summer hosting. Personalize the space with textiles and artisan accessories. Handmade pottery and weather-resistant rugs add layers of texture and personality. Sustainability ensures longevity. Choose climate-suited plants that require less water and ensure easy access to your irrigation valves for maintenance. Integrate smart drip irrigation and solar-powered lighting to reduce your environmental footprint while maintaining a high-end look and feel. Acoustic design is often overlooked. Use dense planting and the sound of running water to buffer street noise and create a private sanctuary. Create focal moments with sculptural trees and lit water walls. These elements draw the eye and give your garden a professional, balanced scale. When phasing your transformation, start with the hardscape first. Major features come next, followed by planting, and finally, the decorative styling. By following these steps, you'll create a cohesive retreat that matures beautifully over time. Remember to refine your design as the seasons change. I hope this guide inspires your luxury tropical project. Start small, plan intentionally, and enjoy the journey of creating your own paradise.